Hey everyone, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I'm coming back today with a DIY. The DIY I'm doing today is for my twin girls, and I am doing a Dollar Tree, I call it a straw hat, but it's a Dollar Tree hat. I purchased this from the Dollar Tree, and as you see, it has a purple, like a tie around it. And I'm going to take this purple tie off. Even though one of my twins love purple, I'm going to replace it with my own ribbon. And the ribbon I'm going to use for hers is this beautiful Easter ribbon, as you see right here. And I purchased this from the Dollar Tree also. So when it comes to replacing like the ribbon on your hat, you can do it for pretty much any holiday, and I'm just going to do it for Easter since Easter is next Sunday, and just to try something different. So what we're going to do, as you see, this little ribbon here is on with like hot glue, and all you have to do is just peel it off, and it comes right off. And just continue to peel it off. Okay, and here's the ribbon. And this is how the hat looks once you take the Dollar Tree ribbon off. And it's still nice just like this. They can wear it, but I'm gonna put a ribbon on it. And you can use your glue, your hot glue, if you would like. I'm just gonna use just a little bit on mine. So all you have to do is just take your glue, your hot glue, and just go down the ribbon just like this. You don't have to use a whole lot of it. Just enough to put it on the hat. Okay. So take both edges and just make sure you have your hat. Uh-oh, I dropped the ribbon. All right, make sure it's on the right side, which mine is. And just take it and place it directly around your hat. Just make sure everything is straight. And mine is just a little off, but you can move it the way you want to. Back and forth. And the glue will get on your fingers, but it's okay. You can take it off. And I'm going to put mine right here for her. And just pull it down just a little bit. Okay. Take the glue off. Okay. You see, you can still mash it down, press it down rather. Okay. And as you see, this is how it looks after you place the ribbon on it. Like I said, I'm doing the Easter ribbon. And I also have some flowers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I have pink, yellow, I have purple. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place this beautiful purple flower like right on the side of it. But I'm gonna cut it down because it's too long. So I'm just gonna cut this stem off. I'm just gonna clip that off. As you see, I clipped that off. And you just add a little hot glue to the back of this flower, like this. Okay. All right. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna place it right here, as you see, right in this area. And just hold it so that the glue will stick to the hat. As you see right there. Okay. All right, and I think think that is just so cute. As you see. And that is the way it looks after you will put the other ribbon on. And you can use this for anything, any occasion, any holiday. You can use it for Kentucky Derby. That's another one that people wear these type of hats with the flowers on it. And I'm also going to do another one for my other twin. And my other twin girl, she loves pink. So I'm just going to take a beautiful pink ribbon, just like this. It's not all the way pink. It has different eggs in it. It has pink, purple, and green, but it still has pink. And I'm going to do the same thing that I showed you with the first one. And all I'm going to do with hers is add a pink rose to hers. And I will be back. Okay, so I am back with my second twin's hat, the one that I told you who loved pink. And as you see, I did the same thing with her hat, and I just put a different color ribbon around the hat, as well as a beautiful pink rose here. And this is the very first hat that I did with my other twin who loves purple. So one loved purple, one loved pink. And I just put a beautiful purple ribbon, Easter ribbon around her hat with a beautiful purple flower here. So I hope you all like this DIY. And don't forget, this can be for Easter or any holiday. And you can make it your own with any flower, ribbon, or anything that you would like to add to it. It's totally up to you. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified of all upcoming videos. And again, I will have more videos coming up. I normally upload on Sundays, and I just started to upload on Friday, so Friday and Sunday. But next week coming up is the week of Easter, and I have a lot of videos that I need to get out, so I will be uploading more. So stay tuned, and don't forget to enjoy your Friday night, and bye.